What's up, everyone? It's me, CN.TSUKAIMA, and welcome to CN.Toy Collection Haul. And today, I received another package from BBTS, and I don't know what's inside there. So right now, I'm going to open it. Alright. Okay, let's see what's inside. I already opened it. Alright, so let's take hold it. Alright, come on. Alright, there we go. Okay, so alright, so the first one I take out is, whoa. Hopefully I think I'm losing focus on the camera. There we go. And it's Tracer from Overwatch. And my first Figma figure. There's a picture from the top of the box. Another picture here. And here. And the back side, there's all of the poses. And the bottom side, another picture from Tracer. And the SH.Figuarts Naruto figure, Rock Lee. And this is my first Rock Lee figure. And this is the back side of the box. And the Marvel Legends Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 1 Wave from 2017 is... I don't see the name of this figure. It should say it's here. But it's this guy. In the back side, a picture of the figures. I don't know what's this. And there's something in the bottom or the top. There's a logo there. Alright, so there's nothing else here. I forgot his name. So this is pretty much it, guys. So thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, but don't leave any offensive comments. If you do that, your comment will be removed from this video. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of my toy reviews, more of my toy hunts. And follow my Facebook page, CN.Figures. Follow me on Twitter and follow me on Instagram. Alright, guys, so this is all for today. Again, thank you for watching. Take care, be safe, keep on hunting, and keep on collecting. I will see you next time. This is CN.TSUKAIMA, and he's out in line.